Alright, the first video got stopped on accident. We're having a little trouble. That bolt goes through farther than that one, but that one's off. So I haven't got the deep socket for that, so I'm gonna see what I can do to get that off. And the tie rod belt won't loosen because it's not connected to the spindle. So we'll see. And another thing, the sway bar bolts keep turning on the inside. They're loosened, but they keep turning on the inside, so working on that too, so we'll see what happens. Alright, got the driver's side sway bar down. You're gonna need a fucking half-inch socket for the outside, and the inner bolt is a 5/8 closed-in wrench. So let's start getting that passenger side off. Alright, so far I got the sway bar off. These things right here will be over the nut on the inside, on top of the bolt. I broke them off. Fuck that shit. Don't need that shit, but I'm gonna be changing these bushings and cleaning this up. So next time you see this, it'll look brand new. So, still working on getting the control arms off. But difficult access, no power tools, and no lift. So, do what you gotta do. So, we'll see what happens.